Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Learn English with Sanjana. So namaste to all of you. How are you doing all? Hope you're doing great. So I hope you are doing your practice of your English daily. Okay, so today in this video I am sharing with you the conversation between mom and daughter. Okay, so if you are a homemaker and you are trying to learn this language at any cost, so you can learn these phrasal sentences with your kids, no matter you have girl child, you have a boy child. If you have child, so it's a great opportunity that you can do your practice with your kids, and you can learn. Your children will learn this language and they will become familiar with this language easily. Okay, so watch this video till the end and try to implement those phrasal sentences which I am going to share with you. So this will really going to be helpful for you. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start. Lucy, can you help me with the breakfast? Lucy, can you help me with the breakfast? Sure, Mom. Is someone coming over this morning? Sure, Mom. Is someone coming over this morning? Your grandparents are coming. Your grandparents are coming. Oh, how nice! What are we making? Oh, how nice! What are we making? Pancakes, eggs, bacon, and hash browns. Pancakes, eggs, bacon, and hash browns. Yummy! That sounds delicious. Yummy! That sounds delicious. Okay, I hope so. Your grandfather has a big appetite. I hope there's enough food. You can repeat after me. Mom, you always make too much food. It look like a breakfast buffet every time they come over. I want to make sure there is enough food. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Should I make freshly squeezed orange juice? Should I make freshly squeezed orange juice? That would be great. Do you know where the juicer? That would be great. Do you know where the juicer? Yeah, it's on the top shelf on pantry. Yeah, it's on the top shelf of the pantry. Oh no. Oh no. What's wrong, Mom? What's wrong, Mom? I am out of eggs. Tell your dad to go to the store and buy some eggs. I will start on the bacon and hash brown. Dad, Mom needs you to buy some eggs. Dad, Mom needs you to buy some eggs. So this is how you can do your English practice with your kids. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.